And here goes to number 13, Hontiveros. Good for 2 points. Kaibigan, ito nga Toto Abubakar ngayon. Mabibitawan, mapupunta kay Johnson. And Valencia kick out for Einstein. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Valencia! And 6 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Ito nga John Michael Pitogo. Ay, saan ka punta, boy? And ang parado, sinig for Hontiveros. Hito sa katluan. And also jumper. 1, 2, 3 points. Kaya Martinez, sinig for Johnson. Not good. And Martinez, good for 2 points. Kay Lacson, mapapalibre. Outside jumper. Not good. And Hontiveros, good for 2 points. Hontiveros, sinig for Amparado. Good. The basket, time out. And time out. Ay Pitogo, sindi for Otto, fake. And stop pinapulak jumper. Otto, good for 2 points. Michael Pitogo, bibigay sa maya ilalim. At Tarana, good for 2 points. And Einstein Boraldi ngayon, numero 10. Ibibigay dito kay numero 45, iiwan. And Kadima, 2 pointers. And 3 minutes and 25, Einstein Boralde! Yun! Ay ginawang pulutan yung sumabay sa kanyang pagtagay. And John Michael Pitogo baka kalusot, bibigay kay Phoenix Cyber. Outside jumper! 1, 2, 3 points! 33 against 45, 2 puntos na lang for Team of Pixel. And Kadima Richard! Outside jumper! Boom! Ang parado numero 23. Uy! Numero 13, Hontiveros. Off the glass. And nahurin niya mabibitawan. Hontiveros. Good for 2 points. Numero 10 ngayon. Ibibigay kay Valencia. Outside jumper. 1, 2, 3 points. And ang parado bibigay kay Lacson. Good for 2 points. Valencia numero 58 bibigay kay Einstein. And last part. Also jumper. 1, 2, 3 points. And Lacson sa panagita Pink. And Pink and turn around shot. Good for 2 points. 5 seconds. And Johnson Valencia. 1, 2, 3. Ibibigay kay Johnson Valencia sa bandang gilid. Stop pinapulak jumper sa bandang hapali. Bang! 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 3 points. And Boraldi from the outside looking for the open man. Bibigay kay numero 45. Ito nga Kadima. And Lacson bibigay kay John Michael Pitogo sa bandang Huacali. Good for 2 points. And 15 seconds on the shot clock, numero 45. Ito nga Kadima, pabana sa 3, not good. And Murilla, good for 2 points. And 12 seconds on the shot clock, Ibadone, sending for Lacson. Yun, good for 2 points, Lacson. 8 seconds to shoot. 6, 5, and Burrada, 1, 2, 3 points. And Papila bibigay kay numero 5. Ito nga Lacson. Yes for 2 points. Bibigay kay Richard Kadima. And 3 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Kadima, Richard, mapapalebre. Outside jumper. Bang! 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 3 points. John Michael, bang kikita ito nga Muhammad Ibadone. Pull up jumper. Yun. Isang tirada nga balakubi mo. Numero 24. Good for 2 points. At sending for numero 45, bibigay kay Bisales, sending for Einstein. And a fake. And Burralde, 1, 2, 3 points. Ito nga numero 20 ngayon. Otto, good for 2 points. John Michael Pitogo, bibigay sa bandang ilalim. Uy! And what a nice pass. Good for 2 points. And ang parado fake. And yes for 2 points.